How are you? Are you excited to learn a new lesson? Even I am very excited. So today we are going to learn about pronoun themselves. So themselves is a reflexive pronoun which is used in place of third person plural. Reflexive pronoun? Oh no, I'm very confused. No issues? Let's learn together. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun in which the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence both are same. Let's take one example. They reached home by themselves. So, in this sentence, pronoun they is the subject and pronoun themselves is an object, and pronoun themselves refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is pronoun they. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun themselves clear. So Rudy, let's take our first example of pronoun themselves. They wrote a story by themselves. So in this sentence, they is the subject and the reflexive form of pronoun they is themselves, which refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is pronoun they.
I understood.
Good. So Rudy, read the second example.
They can read everything by themselves.
Correct. So again in this sentence, they is the subject and the reflexive form of pronoun they is themselves, which refers back to the subject of the sentence, and pronoun themselves is used for third person plural. Rudy, read the third example.
They drew a sketch by themselves.
Correct. So can you identify the reflexive pronoun in this sentence?
Themselves.
Why?
Because it refers back to the subject.
Correct. Subject is first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Now you got it. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun themselves. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.